Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another creation with you. This is a design team project for ARTYmaze using the new WinterTide collection. I will put a link below. So I've used the Traverse notebook size. It does come in the larger size as well. The journal, I've done the flip flap envelope cover style, and it measures 8.5 by 4.5. It has one signature. The journal itself in it is blank. There's a few things paper clipped in, and there is 48 pages front and back, plus all the flippy flappy things. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested. I also have a 15% discount which ends on 1st of January, midnight, that's UK time. We'll put the link, I will put the description for that below as well, the code number. So anyway, let's get started. So love this style. I've done a few of these. I've actually got stuff printed off to actually do a like start to finish with, but I'm going to be using the A Winter's Tale, and hopefully get that done next week, with it being New Year and autumn, well, New Year's Eve tomorrow. So I've got a simple closure there with an eyelet and a string that goes through, that just wraps around twice and then obviously ties in a bow. I've used one of the journal cards, and we've got some not eyelash trim, what's that called, cheesecloth, and we've got some bling there. Inside there we have just a little plain tag, because there's lots and lots of colour in this, so I had to break it up a little bit with some neutral stuff. Use one of the, let me just make sure I'm in frame here, because this is a little bit longer than normal. So that's one of the papers from the kit. I used, this is actually one of the pages, shrunk it down to about 75%, and then just made some tags using some of the other background pages that you get. Tabs are from the kit. This is from the kit. This is, who's that from now? Bohemian Crafting. So that's just been coffee dyed, and that goes in there and closes, obviously, when you close it. Got a flippy there. So I done the shorter flip on this side. You can kind of move the flips around when you're making these to, like, you know, however you want it. I was normally doing this kind of flip on that side, but I thought I'd change it around for this one. So we have a pocket here. Everything's from the kit. Little faux stamps, some cheesecloth, background paper, some other paper from the kit. Here we have a tag from the kit, and we've just got some thin white ribbon through there, and of course this doesn't want to go in. It came out, it's been in and out of there a few times. There we go. Then I just made some coffee dyed tags and just done some lines with a corrugated cardboard, and this is very shimmery. Just thought that looked nice to break it up. Journal card from the kit. Love the jumpers that they're wearing. I think it's so cute. And this is actually just ARTYmaze has got these on our website, and they're some freebies, and these are actually for the A Winter's Tale, but I've used it for this, so just use some of the sentiments and pop that in there. Here again, I've used one there. It says Woods in Winter, and it's Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. It's a tongue twister. We have another journal card there, some lined paper which is from the kit, another tag there, and another tag there. Love the colours in this, so pretty. Then I just made a side tuck there. Again, papers from the kit. Just made this tag. Then we've just got a index card, and it's been sprayed, coffee dyed and sprayed. Another tag there from the kit. The tickets are from the kit. Do a quick flip of the journal. So I've just got the envelope, which has just got coffee dyed paper inside. I can get that out, probably glued it in, which wouldn't be like me. Do you know, I actually left them to dry for a while. Either that or it's just snug in there. There we go. Just coffee dyed paper. And that goes on there. All the pages in the signature have just been coffee dyed. So you've got lots of journal room. The lovely owl there. The deer. The jumper, how cute. Old Design Shop, Bohemian Crafting, another envelope. Let's hope I haven't glued anything in there. Journal card. And that's just up there. I just couldn't fit any of them into the flips and the flaps. Center of the signature. Little flip there, and another flip there, and another flip. Lots of flips. Again, the deer. Is that a deer? Yeah, it's a deer. I'm not sure if that's a deer or a stag, actually. The other envelope. Just coffee dyed paper in that. Love that paper. Oops, got to take the paper clip off. Oh, I was supposed to try something actually, too late now. I was going to put my earpods in, and so that the volume might be a little bit louder, because I know on some devices that it is a struggle to hear. I find that with some videos as well, and I normally just put my earphones in to listen. It's funny how that happens. I'm not sure why. Here it says, if you listen carefully, the silence is beautiful. Again, papers from the kit. Another tag from the kit. Little coffee dyed tag there. Journal card here. And again, another one of these. It says, in every twinkling crystal lives a memory of the sea. There we have another tag, which just pops in at the bottom of this flip, which is an envelope. Then, that's all just fell out of there. Then we have this, and it says, kindness is like snow. It beautifies, I couldn't say that then, everything it covers. We haven't had any snow yet. Well, we have. It's a slight dusting that disappeared in about 30 seconds. Lined paper, so you could do some journaling on there. Another coffee dyed tag. Another journal card there. I love that little design around them. Then, let's move that there. Little ticket from the kit. There's fabric down the middle there to reinforce the spine. Another tag that I made there. Tab from the kit. Another coffee dyed tag. Another journal card there. And then on this side, that all just slipped out then. We have another one of these little circle embellishments from the kit. Another tag. And this is from Bohemian Crafting, and that just goes in there like that. And on the back there we just have another one of these little tags. So this is a lovely kit. Definitely wintry. There's winter and warmth in this. I know that sounds a bit silly, but there is. I think obviously the blues and the whites, it give out the chilly side to it, and the red gives a little bit of warmth, which I think is nice. So another great kit from Andrea. So like I said, I will I will link the kit below, and like I said, there is 15% off everything in the shop. That's digitals and journals. There's still a few journals on there if you're interested. Each listing will have a link to the video as well. So yeah, so if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.